At Hello Vets, our mission is to change the way you eat, forever. We make dinner time easy by hand-picking everything you need to survive. All from unknown, but trusted, passionate producers. And here's the best part. All of our meals are safely and delicately hand-delivered to your door. With our simple, easy-to-open box, your family can immediately start enjoying meals ready to eat. Hassle-free. Still not convinced? Come see for yourself at our world-famous MRE Cooking Challenge on July 18th at the California State Fair's Military and Veteran Appreciation Day.